are you doing? Welcome or welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are the MT's family, and my good name is Winnie, aka Nikki.
My name is Martin, aka MT.
So guys, asanteni sana for your support. Guys, we are so much thankful. Mmetusupport sana, mmewatch videos zetu. Like, share. When you have to subscribe, kindly subscribe to our channel. We are a very fun couple. We have a lot of vlogs, travel, family, and lifestyle. So guys, kindly subscribe to our channel, support us. Yeah. So guys, in this particular video, actually we are so happy, we are so grateful to God. This particular item yenye tuna reveal leo, actually guys, we've prayed for it,
manifested,
yeah, and also saved up for a very long time. Imagine guys, in this year we never even went for a vacation. It was that like we sacrificed a lot, like hadi kwenda vacation. Even for our birthdays we just did like small dinners. We even went like tulikuwa tumepanga like this year we are going to Dubai, yeah, but we didn't make it, but tukapostpone, tukasema what we are showing you is greater than even like the trip to Dubai, yeah. But si ati hatuendi, tunaenda Dubai. We are coming in full force. Lazima tukuje Dubai ama aje?
Lazima.
Kama tena unipeleki?
Tutaenda.
Aya, so guys, mna guess ni nini? Uko kwa comment section. Mnaona kama ni nini yenye we want to reveal? Tuambieni hapo kwa comment section.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. So guys, acha tuonyeshe.
So guys, the reveal is
we bought a new car.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, there's no celebration without champagne. So guys, let's pop it in celebration of our new car. We're having a Quesalia Fragolino. So cheers, babe. Tomorrow wins. Tomorrow games. And to
success.
Yeah, cheers. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and guys, kindly get us to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly guys, tafadhalini kama uja subscribe too.
Like, share, comment.
Yeah guys, see you on the next one. Bye bye.